If your Epic Games launcher is stuck on a self-update failed error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get the launcher working again. This is a common issue, and it usually happens because the launcher doesn't have the right permissions, or because one of the launcher files has become damaged. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, go to your desktop and find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Once you see it, right-click it and choose Properties from the menu. This opens the file settings for the launcher, where we can check the permissions and make sure Windows is allowing it to run properly. Now, inside the Properties window, look for the Security tab at the top and click it. This section controls who can access the launcher and what level of permission they have. In the list box, select Users. Then, click the Edit button. This is where we can change the access settings. Once the Permissions window opens, look under the Allow column and check the box next to Full Control. Make sure that Read and Write permissions are also active, because those are important for the launcher to update and save its files correctly. If those permissions are blocked, Epic Games may fail when trying to self-update. After you've enabled the correct permissions, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. This will cascade the modifications and apply them to the launcher files. At this point, try opening Epic Games Launcher again and see if the self-update failed error is gone. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to run a repair through Windows. This is useful if a core framework component or launcher file is corrupted. To do that, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type Appwiz.Cpl into the prompt, then press Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window. Now scroll through the list and find Epic Games Launcher. Once you locate it, right-click it and choose Repair from the options if it's available. Windows will begin a repair process that checks the installed files and tries to fix anything missing or damaged. Let that verification progress meter finish completely before you test the application again. When the repair is finished, restart your computer if needed, then launch Epic Games Launcher one more time. In most cases, after fixing the permissions and running the repair, the self-update failed error should be resolved and the launcher should open normally. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, leave a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.